So we are on the third scenario now. So this is the scenario on which the market has opened, that is 10,700, and if I see a closing was above it, now I will work on a put option. I will sell a put option. My strike price will be 150 below 10,700. 10,700 is what my opening price. So 10,550 is what the strike price I will choose. Okay. I will choose the strike price of 10,550 rupees, and on that day I have made around more than 1500, and where I have closed you I'll tell you. So the closing was here, I have sold a I have sold a 10,550 put option, and this was on Thursday. Okay, and I see I have drawn this trend line. From here I was seeing a reversal because this is a strong resistance. Okay, so the knowledge of support and resistance will come into play here. So I was seeing a rejection from here, and here I have closed my position. Okay, so here I have closed the position, and after this I am seeing a rejection, so I closed this position here, and I have made 1500 on that day. I have again entered a trade here when I was seeing a rejection from here, but I think you will not able to follow that why I have done that. That will make the things complex. But I have closed my position here because I was seeing a rejection from a good resistance. Clear? And the strike price which I have selected is 10,550 rupees. And here my earning was more than 1500 rupees, that is on one lot only. Clear? I think Raj and Ashutosh, you are able to follow, right?
Yeah, yes, correct.
Fine. So now we are coming on different day. This is 14 July. This was also a good day to earn in this strategy. Now here is the open range, right? There is one more thing. See, to be on the safe side, you should wait till 10 o'clock. But sometimes the confirmation will be very good. So you can enter before 10 o'clock also. Like this day, I have entered before 10 o'clock. But generally I wait till 10 o'clock to enter this trade. But if the confirmation is very good and you are seeing the price is definitely, and you are somewhat sure that the price is going up after crossing the range on the upside, you can do it before 10 also. But what is desirable is you should do after 10 o'clock. So on this day I did after 10 o'clock only. I was seeing the price have closed here, but I did not close my position because I was seeing that it is again taking support at the lower range. So here it is what I did, selling here. So the strike price which I have selected on that day is 10,750 was somewhere the market has opened. I will sell a call option because I got a closing below it. So the OTM option for this would be 10,900 because the open is at 10,750. Clear? So I have sold 10,900 on that day, and that was also a trending day. I have made around more than 1,500. It was around 2k 2k 100 rupees is what I have made it. So that is 2,100 I made on that day. Clear? So this was the perfect scenario, and again I have drawn a trend line. You can work on it. So till this time I did not close, and then it was following the trend line, and then I see the price was ejecting from a good support. So I closed all my position on that day. Clear? So the support is drawn on my chart. Clear? Now comes this day, that is 13 July. So again I have drawn a range here. So the market has opened at 10,900. Okay, so somewhere 900. If I got a closing above it, so the price have opened at 10,850. If the price was going above it, I would have sold a put option of 10,700. That is the OTM for this. And as in this case, the price have gone down, so I have sold the option of 10,850 plus 150 is what? That is 11,000 exactly. So 11,000 call I have sold here because I got a closing below it. But till this point, I will make it little straighter. I did not got a proper closing above the open range. Clear? And then again, you can draw one trend line. In that day, if you see the market movement was not that much, and My earning was not that good, but still I was about to make around 900 rupees on that day. Okay, so this is how you will work. The only important point you have to understand in this is to select the strike price. You have to always select a OTM. Don't do this mistake of selecting a very near OTM. Okay, slight fluctuation will give you a loss of around 1500 to 2000 also. Just a slight fluctuation. Okay, so you should not do that mistake. You need to select a at least 150 point away OTM. Clear? So we have discussed around, this is 13 July. We have discussed around 13 to 4, like around 5-6 scenarios. Now this is the day when I made a loss. Okay, so this is the day, right? So here is what the range is. Fine. So I was seeing the price have crossed above it, and then I was getting a confirmation that price will move up. But on that day there was a sudden fall, and then it has came down. So here I have closed my position. So on that day I have lost around 900 rupees. Okay, that is on one lot I am telling you. So the closing was above it. I was seeing the price was going up, and then suddenly the price have gone down because of heavy selling, and it has closed below the this range. So I have closed my position on that day with the loss of 900 rupees. Clear? So you should understand that when you will lose money. So I will select you which strike price I have taken on that day. So this is 10,770 where the price have opened. So you can roughly take it as 10,800. So when I see the closing was above it, I have sold OTM option of put side. So the put side OTM which I have sold is 10,600. Clear? But I got a closing below it, so I have lost on that day. Fine. So on these types of day you will lose money. Clear? Now coming to a previous day, again you will draw a range. So the price have opened at 10,750 around. So I have got a closing above it, and that day I have sold a put option of 10,600. Okay, so 10,000 put option I have sold, 10,600 put option I have sold, and you see the price have gone up. On that day also I have made around 1k rupees on one lot. Clear? So you can also start with one lot. Generally I trade with lot of lots, but I will not tell you in how many lots I am trading. That will confuse your mind and you may start taking the same kind of risk. Start with one lot and you will see your skills will get improved, and then you can gradually increase the lots. Okay, on one lot on that day I made 1k rupees. Okay, because you see the prices staying above it. So in this I was earning with two ways, that is time decay, and then price was slowly moving up. So on both the ways I have earned money on that day. Clear? Yeah. I think Rajesh, you are trying to speak, but your voice is very low.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear.
Okay. One quick confirmation. So what we are saying is every time, if it is not going as per our expectations, we will have a standard stop loss of let's say 12 points or something like that. Or
Yeah, so basically, see, I have told you one scenario when your stop loss will hit. Then when
Hmm?
you'll get a closing below the open range. If you have on the buy side, if the closing is below this, I will close my position. That is one scenario.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. Why I'm asking that is because
Yeah,
you are
yeah, I
saying that
got you.
it is.
See, generally, if the price is staying between below above this, now your loss will not be more than 900 rupees.
Okay. So that means about 12 points we need to keep, right?
Okay, so if you're selected a good strike price and the price is staying above this point, your loss will not be more than 900 to 1000 rupees. Your stop loss will only increase if you have not if the price start moving below this, because the option, if you have sold a put option, that will be somewhere reaching an at the money option. So there are high chances that if you stay, it will become ITM and ATM. So that time your loss will be unlimited. You should understand that in selling the losses are unlimited. So you should be very careful. Follow this rules which I have told you. So if you are getting a closing below this, and listen to me, you should get a closing. Sometimes the price will go up, it will give a spike and it will again go up. So I have stressed this point, there should be a closing. Okay. So that is also you should keep in your mind. Fine.
So
And if the
when
price
you
is staying
say
above, you will not lose money. And if it is, and always try to have a clear look of the supports and resistance. So because there you can book your profits. And if you are not booking, this kind of falls will come.
okay, so when you say close, it can be on the positive side. It can be a red candle also is fine, right? It doesn't matter whether it is green or
See,
red.
if I am
Only
getting
thing is,
the green candle from here, so that is the
Hmm.
open is below, but the close is above, right?
Hmm.
So if the candle is closed below this, that would be a red candle only. If the approach is from taking coming from the top side. So it would be
No,
somewhere
what I'm
here
saying
and the
is,
closing will be here. It will be a red color candle.
okay.
Fine. If the same thing, if in this case, if we'll see from the upside it is going and I have because the open range was breakdown from the downside, if the price was going up, it would open somewhere here and close above. So that will be a green color candle.
Hmm.
Clear, Raj?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is one more scenario we will discuss here. I think this part is clear to you. So again, I'll draw one range. So this strategy works with an accuracy of 90% in Nifty. In Bank Nifty, the strategy dips by some bit. It will be around 85% for Bank Nifty. You have to follow the same rules and same conditions. So in this case, this was the open range. I have taken a trade when this candle was formed. So I was getting a range breakout here and the closing was below it. So if you see, select the strike price. So the opening was at 10,850. If I need to sell a put option, if I need to sell a call option because the closing is below, I will sell a call option. And the strike price which I will select is what? The open is at 10,800. I will select 10,950. That is 150 points above. Clear? And then if you see there was a good fall till this scenario I was only earning around 850 rupees. That was all due to time decay. So my selling was here, but till this point also I was earning money around 250 to 300 rupees. But after this fall, again my profit was around 1200 rupees on that day. So I have closed somewhere here because it was around the closing. Market was about to close. So I have closed it around 1200 rupees per lot on that day. Clear? I hope this scenario is also clear to you. Now we'll discuss one more and this will be the last one for this strategy. So here is the open range of 6th July. So I know my profits because I do this and every day because this is one of the simplest strategy to implement and there is no much things to follow. This works on a simple funda of first 15 minutes candle and OTM option. Clear? So on this day I have done a put selling because the closing was above it. The strike price which I have selected is 10,000 10,550 rupees. That is the opening of this candle was 10,700 rupees. So if you minus 150 of that, that is 10,550. I have sold that put option and then the price have moved up and I have closed somewhere here. So I did not close here because I was expecting this would be just a pullback. So I have closed somewhere here. On that day, I have made around 900 rupees in one lot. Okay, and then the price have moved really down. And if you see here also, this is the place where you will just see a spike. So if this is the last candle, generally you would have closed your position, but I'll just tell you here was what it has happened. The candle has tried to go below the range of this, but there is no closing. So if this same thing was happening here, I would not have closed my position. I would have still waited for the closing. Clear? Now, Shitosh and Raj, you tell me if this strategy is clear to you or not before I move to the next one. Ashutosh, are you online? Are you following whatever I am saying till now? Just tell me in the chat box. Rajesh, what about you? Is the voice not clear? I am not getting any response from both of you guys. So Ashutosh, we have discussed one strategy. Okay, so we'll be discussing the other strategy now. Once Raj also says that is clear, then we'll move to the other strategy. Okay, so this was one strategy.
Hello.
This is OTM strategy. I think you would have noted down the important points. Okay. So Rajesh, are you are I'm not getting a response from your side. So for if next 2 minutes you won't respond, we'll move to the next topic. Okay, fine, Ashutosh. I think you would have understood this. This is a very simple strategy. Okay, work on this. Start with one lot, and if you are not able to take more risk, also you can again. I have told you to select 150 difference. With this difference of 150, you can even try with 200 rupees difference. Okay, to reduce the risk in the starting, but your profits will also be reduced then. Clear? So you can also experiment this with 200. This works perfectly, but the thing is you need to select that OTM, and it should be little far away. If you select at the money option, your loss may increase if you get your stop loss hit. Clear? So we have to discuss one more strategy today. That will be ATM strategy. That is at the money option strategy. And before that, we'll take a 5 minutes break, and that will take another 45 to 1 hour, and we'll cover that. So you can take a break. Ashutosh, you can also take a break. We'll meet after 10 minutes exactly at 10:30, 12:35. We'll meet again.
Okay, okay, fine.
Okay, Raj. Raj, you are clear with this strategy, right?
Yeah. First strategy, I'm clear.
So I have
Satish.
discussed around 7-8 scenarios. So you can okay. I have to tell you one more thing. So just wait for a second. So some days there will be a doji like this.
Okay.
So so just this is last point. So some days you will see a doji. We call this as spinning top or doji. This is the indecision candle. On those days, wait for more confirmation. Okay, so these types of scenarios, there are high chances that market may reverse from the downside. When you see this first 15 minutes candle is looking like a doji or spinning top, how you can identify this? In these types of candles, there will be shadow on both sides. The equal amount of shadow will be on the top, and equal amount of shadow will be on the downside. So on these types of day, market can reverse from any side. So if it is going down, it can reverse and cross up. So on those days, you should be little careful. So
And
on seeing this
also,
candle, yeah.
Kabir, also on the range bound markets, what will happen?
Yeah, if
Again.
see the on the range bound also you will earn money, but your earning will not be much. So you will earn through
Mm-hmm.
time decay on that day.
Okay. So fine. I mean, you will not make losses, but at least you will be having
Profit,
some
yeah,
money making because of time decay in the
because
range
of
bound.
time decay. Yeah, and here if you see, I have sold the option somewhere here because I was seeing the market is going down only. So I have sold it here, and here the market has approached the open range, but the closing was not above it. So I did not close.
Mm.
Clear? So the closing was not above it, so I did not close, and then somewhere here I have closed my position on that day also. I remember I have made money, but loss was not there. because it was in this range only. Because of time decay, I have made the profit. So it was around, I guess, 400 or something per lot.
Okay,
Because of time decay.
got it. Okay.
Clear? So, but here the price, here it was about to hit my stop loss, but because I did not find a closing, I did not close my position. Clear? So I think everything I have covered according to this strategy. Okay. This is one of the best strategies and the simplest way of earning money. Generally, we don't share it, but we have decided just in this seminar to share this. So here also, if you see, I got a closing above it, and have, if market has opened somewhere around 10,500, I have sold a put option of 10,350 rupees. And I see, because the closing was above it. After this candle, the price was staying above it, so I have sold a 10,350 put option. And if you see, the price was in upward direction. On in this day also, I would have made money. Clear? You should have some knowledge of trend line also. And if you are seeing the price going up and it is about to get closed, and you see a trend line breakout, you can close your position. So this has happened at somewhere 230, and as you know, 330 market will close, and you are seeing a trend line breakout here. You can close your position and book whatever profits you are getting. Okay, these things you can try and get perfect with. Okay. Fine, now we'll take a break of 10 minutes. We'll again meet at 10:40, 12:40, and we'll discuss the different strategy. Okay. Okay, take a break. This meeting will end, and you have to join with the same link which is shared in the channel.